Dear friends, this is Gerd again from Reischauer. Mini gold mintings are very popular today. For me, mini gold means a minting with less gold and small in size. We do have three options in order to reduce the gold content and the size: the diameter, the thickness and the fineness. In the following, I would like to discuss it. Please enjoy. Here you can see some conventional mintings in fine gold. On the left, 5 gram, and on the right of the row, 0.25 gram. The lower the diameter and the lower the thickness, the lower the weight. The diameter of the 0.25 gram minting is 8 mm and the thickness 0.26 mm. A minted coin in fine gold, 8 mm diameter and 0.17 mm thick. The weight is 1 to the 200 ounce. You can see a relief minted on both sides. In case we would reduce the diameter from 8 to 6 and the thickness from 0.17 to 0.10, we would get a weight of 1 to the 500 ounce. Diameters less than 6 are extremely bad to handle, and thicknesses below 0.10 need a special rolling technology for the sheets. For us, 1 to the 500 ounce is the lower limit in manufacturing of fine gold blanks and mintings. So far, a short discussion about mini gold blanks and mintings. If you have your own idea what to do with, please let me know. Thanks a lot for your attention and stay safe.